and welcome back to a glitchy vlog. In today's vlog, we're going to be going to Sydney. I know, right? Crazy. Wow. It's late at night right now, so I can't really chat too much, so we'll have to deal with the low mic quality, but hopefully it's fine. Today, we're going to be going to Sydney. It's late at night now, and we'll be arriving in Sydney at about 6 a.m. in the morning, and then we'll have the whole day in Sydney before we go to Canberra, and then after that, we go to Falls Creek to go skiing, and then we go to Falls Creek to go skiing. So stay tuned, daily vlogs, hopefully fingers crossed if I can edit them all, but we'll try to get daily vlogs out, so turn your post notifications on, get subscribed to the channel, like the video right now. Yeah, I know, advertising is kind of weird. Yay! Okay guys, and also in today's video, we're going to be going to Click House. I'm going to be putting a few clips of that in, but there will be a dedicated video about the Click House coming out right after this video, so as soon as this video is uploaded, I'll be uploading that one, so hopefully the internet connection over there is not too bad. Also guys, it's really cold outside, so I'm going to real quick put my jacket on. Wow, let's see how I do with editing that one. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we've just ordered, and let me come over to this Telstra Air for a better light. We've just ordered a Ola. Yeah, come out me Uber. We ordered an Ola because we could get 50% off on our first 2 weeks, so we can even get an Ola on half price on our way back. So we've just ordered an Ola, waiting for it to get here, and then we'll probably do like a montage of us driving out the window, I guess, and we'll see you at the Perth airport. We're boarding! Woo! Let's get on this plane!
Environment and agriculture.
Rose with Dan John. Whoa.
Let's
go! Down the stairs we go! So guys, yeah, we're just boarding our flight on Virgin Airlines. I don't know what what to say. This is so weird. I'm not used to vlogging in public. Holy cow, we get to go down here. Whoa! What the hell? We've poured in the back.
Yeah. The very big, next to the kitchen. Thank God it's not raining.
Ooh. Yeah.
Right here.
Right here?
30
Ooh.
iron beams.
Is it here? Ooh. Let's go. Whoa. So guys, we're on the flight now. I've just realised there's no screens, so that's kind of annoying. Because
You want your jacket in the...
I'm gonna be bored.
You want your jacket up
No,
there?
I'm fine.
Sure.
Yeah. So guys, we've been off the plane for a while now, and we're just going to get into the train station so we can go to the center of the city. So let's go.
As you know, we have something special. We have
So guys, we're on the tower, and we're on this infinity lights thing. So apparently the lights are infinite. Dun, dun, dun. It's kind of cool. So guys, here we have the Sydney table tennis. I'm pretty good at this game, you know. It's gonna be kind of weird because it's the Sydney shapes, but we'll deal with it. Still trying to figure out how I'm gonna. Let's go.
I think we can do it.
Game on, bro. Oh yeah, I'm so good at this game. See them processes? I'm skills, as you guys can see, I'm very high, and I'm gonna hula hoop. Yeah. Oh yeah. The skills. Oh yeah. Woo, skills. Okay guys, on the Sydney Tower Eye, Sydney's tallest tower I think. And wow, it's big. Wow. Just look down there. It's tall, it's tall. You can see all of Sydney, guys. Like, I mean, they can try and put poles on their buildings all they want to try and make it look bigger, but this is a massive building. So guys, it's me, back again. Okay, the sun is really in the way there. Okay, is that better? So guys, I'm back. So, we're on the ferry right now, and we're going to be traveling to a secret location to do secret stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy me getting the clips of the wharf, and then we'll be going to the click house, which is quite a bit away from the ferry stop. Like, not gonna lie, like 2-hour drive away. So yeah, that'll be an adventure. See you guys. Two, one.